Hey everyone, this is Chris Red here at Johnson RV, and we are at the Portland Expo Center introducing our brand new partner outside van, and this is the Approach. This is a 170-inch wheel-based vehicle built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis. It's an all-wheel drive. It's an absolute beauty. It sleeps forward, drives forward, belted comfortably. So I'm going to walk you around, show you some of the features on the outside, and then take you inside and show you the unit. First thing I want to point out here are these KO2 tires. Off-road, beautiful, quiet driving, snowflake approved. And also this AMP steps. This is retractable, so when they go up, you're going to have a lot of clearance when you're out traveling, and then you can lock them in when you're out camping, so you have a nice safe spot to get around. You have a beautiful sliding door, gives you lots of entry when you're getting in here. Come over here and take a look at the inside here. So right now I have it set up as eating for four. You can see there's matching front and back seats. Beautiful stitching all the way around, so four people can sit here, front to back, have dinner, kids, friends, whining, whatever you like to do. We're gonna walk around here. I'm gonna show you the outside. Closing the door here. Beautiful graphics on the outside. Swinging around to the back here, you're gonna notice this does have a lighting package kit all the way around, a rigid lighting kit, so you have front, back, 50-inch light bar in the front. You have approved fog lights, so you can have them running when you're driving. This has an air compressor on board. There are 3 chucks, one in the back here, very easy to hook up, stow away. It does have an outdoor shower. You can see I have it set up right now where you have sleeping here. This makes one large bed, and then also this is spun over here so you can have a sleeping on the top. We have partnered with Roam Rest, so the mattresses are very comfortable. 5-inch on the top, 4 on the bottom, but you can sleep 4 people with ease in this unit. Walking around to the side here, you're going to notice a shore power cord here, a water fill, and then you have a built-in ladder on the side here. Now they have an aluminum safari rack on top, so this is all movable. So if you want to bring a ski box or something like that and you want to adjust those bars, you can easily do that. It also has a nice tray on there, so if you want to carry firewood and those type of things, easy to do. So let's walk around here and let me show you the inside of this van. Again, this is an outside van. This is their newest floor plan. This is the Approach, a 170-inch wheelbase all-wheel drive unit. You can see this beautiful screen package here, as well as right when you enter the vehicle, you can control your lighting, you can control the steps. These are dimmable lights. You do have a nice little soft, more entry light, so if you're loading things in at night, and there's one in the back as well. Stepping into the unit here, you're going to notice, again, you have a screen here, so this will roll down, unsnap. So if if you want to block off or just sleep while you're, if you want to sleep on the side of the road without putting in the curtains in the front windows, you can do that. Also, this will pull down here so you can block off that. Those just roll up, and they will go up further, as well, so you have more of a view. All blackout shades. They're snapped up here, and you just pull down, and they'll snap on there so you can black out the whole vehicle to sleep. You have a screen package here with a magnet, so you let the bugs in. And then stepping in here, you're gonna notice this is Corian countertop, so it's nice, heavy duty, double sink, absolutely beautiful. This unit is equipped with a Rickson system, so a diesel-fired furnace, heating your hot water and having your heat run off, from the engine. Diesel is a Volta powered system, so you can run a 48 volt Volta system that runs your air conditioner here, which is a full 48 volt system as well, so it runs very efficiently. And it's above here, so you can have like these little airplane little dials here to keep the kids cool or your friend passengers, and then also not freeze you out in the back when you're sleeping. And then you're going to just see a lot of cabinetry. You have a little control here. Everything is app based as well, so you can control the lights, you can control the radio. All that is app based, so you can get on your phone and control that. You have 2 fans, very easy to get to. You can pop that out, have some reflectors on there to keep the heat. So you have 2 fans, air conditioner, and then this area is going to be the 2 beds. This has a beautiful shower box, so I'm going to show you this real quick. So this is amazing. So you move this out of the way, lift this up, and you're going to notice you have a porta potty, which is removable. You can go outside, you can use it inside. All these here will flip down, so if you want to use the shower box, basically you untwist this and it just hooks right up into this L track here. And then you're going to quick disconnect your water hose, and you're going to have a shower curtain that hooks up in here as well, and it kind of comes out in an angle, so you have a lot of arm movement here from the side. And you're going to have a shower. It has an automatic drain pump, so you just hit auto and the water will instantly just go into your gray tank. So stepping in the back, the table behind you, that can be put right here, so then you can sit back here if you'd like. Now I can have this set up so this can be pushed all the way out, or it can be removed. So if there's just two of you and you don't want to use the sleeping top and bottom, you can just remove this and kind of give you a little bit more space. You also have a lot of access through the back here, so if you want to bring kayaks or toys and things like that, you can do that as well. But in here, this is a flip over panel, so there's 3 of them, and they're just located right under where I was sitting, so they flip over, and then all the cushions come together to get one large sleeping area, which is absolutely amazing. And then also, if you wanted to put that table here, you can sit in the back, or you can set it up in an L shape. Whatever you want to do, you can do that. It has a TV, built-in DVD player. But this is our newest partner. This is Outside Vans. This is the Approach. It's a 170-inch wheelbase. We have it at Johnson RV. We're at the Portland Expo Center. Come see me and the team. Thank you so much for watching the video.